Okay, one asked me to go into this. What does it mean in the wilderness when the Bible says that Israel should be under the rod again? For those who eventually that leave Babylon and we're in the wilderness, what will happen? What does it mean by being under the rod? Let's go to Ezekiel the 20th chapter and the 33rd verse and get some understanding on that. And hold that and get Isaiah 66.
Ezekiel chapter 20, verse 33.
Go ahead.
As I have said, saith the Most High Ahiah, surely with a mighty hand, and with a stretched out arm, and with fury poured out, will I rule over you.
Go ahead.
And I will bring you out from the people, and I will gather you out of the countries wherein you are scattered.
I will gather you out of the countries wherein you are scattered. Go ahead.
With a mighty hand, and with a stretched out arm.
That means while the destruction is going on in the earth, the Most High is sanctioning the angels to direct our people. Okay, that's not future tense. That's happening as we speak. There's all types of things going on right now. You have earthquakes. You have storms. You got sinkholes going throughout the four corners of the earth. You got sinkholes going all through America right now. Methane gas under the whole country. So while all this fury and destruction, you had so-called Hurricane Sandy, which we know was materialized through the HAARP system. Okay, and I know some people out there asking questions saying, well, how can we give man the credit for what God said would happen? Well, listen to this clearly. We're not giving man the credit. All right? The antennas for the HAARP system is right there. The technology is on the books of what they're doing with the HAARP system. And Christ said himself, when he showed John in the book of Revelations 12, when it says, woe to the inhabitants of the earth and of the sea, for the devil hath come down because he knoweth he have a short time. So the devil will be used in the end with his technology to destroy our people. So when the devil gave man technology to do all these things Christ said that we would see happening in the last days, that's the devil. So when we know that they use the HAARP system under the devil to destroy people, we're going to say exactly who's doing it. Of course, the Bible, Christ prophesied that earthquakes will be in diverse places. Not because the Most High is creating these earthquakes. The devil have come down because he know if he got a short time. So he's doing things in the earth to destroy God's people. And Christ will save us out of this. But it's the devil's technology that is creating the majority of storms and things you see today. And I see people write and ask questions. How can you give a man credit on the prophecies of the Most High? Why? Because it's not the Most High getting in planes, spraying chemtrails through the sky, putting barium and aluminum in the sky to help steer some of these storms. The Most High is not doing that. The Most High is not making chemtrails. All right? That under Satan's guidance. And they're putting these aluminum and sulfite and all these different metals in the air because through magnetism of the HAARP system, they can steer weather patterns. So that's why I'm putting that out, because some people like to respond and say, well, when we speak about the HAARP system and what they're doing with Sandy, oh, that was God who did that. No, the devil is doing that. Christ warned us that the devil would come down knowing that he have a short time. And he gave us prophecies in Matthew 24 of what the devil will be doing. And to warn our people to come out of that scenario so that they don't be taken down by the snares of the devil. Read.
Verse 34. And I will bring you out from the people.
I will bring you out from the people.
And will gather you out of the countries wherein you are scattered, with a mighty hand, and with a stretched out arm, and with fury poured out.
Go ahead.
And I will bring you into the wilderness of the people.
I will bring you into the wilderness of the people. So we're going to be in the same wilderness we were in before. Read.
And there face to face.
And there will I plead with you face to face. So the Most High will deal with us like he did in the wilderness. In the wilderness, you had those who were rebels, who was going against the Most High, and you had those who were following the Most High. That will be the last purging of the children of Israel, right there. So when it says face to face, that means your judgments will happen on the spot. You break the commandments, you will be destroyed in the wilderness. And we're going to give you an example of this. Read.
Verse 36. Like as I pleaded with you, with your fathers in the wilderness
Go ahead.
of the land of Egypt, so will I plead with you, saith the Most High Ahiah, and I will cause you to pass under the rod, and I will bring you into the bond of the covenant, and I will purge you out from among the rebels. And them that transgressed against me I will bring forth out of the country where they sojourn, and they shall not enter into the land of Israel. And ye shall know that I am the Most High Ahiah.
We're going to know that who is the Most High?
And ye shall know that I am the Most High Ahiah.
That's crystal clear. I am is the name of the Most High. You're not going to know the tetragrammaton God that was given to you by the Europeans, by the Jewish powers who are worshiping Satan. We're not going to know that. We're not going to deal with that. We're going to deal with the God who gave Moses his name. Okay? And we were in the wilderness. That was the God that gave us the law, statutes, and commandments. Ahiah, Ashar, Ahiah is his name.